Hello my dears, welcome back to biology class. So we have been discussing about nutrition in animals. Can you tell me what was taken in the previous class?
Have seen how the process digestion starts in the mouth.
So tell me, what are the structures that are present in the mouth that help in digestion?
Teeth, tongue, salivary glands present in the mouth help in digestion.
So we have completed the process of digestion inside the mouth. Now, after the mouth, what comes next?
After the mouth comes the food pipe, which is also known as the esophagus.
So let us see how the food is moving through the esophagus and what all takes place in the stomach. The food from the mouth enters the next part of the alimentary canal, that is the food pipe, also called as the esophagus. Food is pushed down the food pipe by the movement of the wall of the food pipe. The food passes through the food pipe in a wave-like movement, and we call this special movement as peristalsis. Sometimes the food that we eat is not accepted by our stomach and is vomited out. Observe the picture in which you can see the esophagus and the food moving through the esophagus. You can also see that the food pipe is joined to the stomach. The food from the esophagus enters to the stomach. The stomach is a thick-walled bag. It is shaped like a flattened U and is the widest part of the alimentary canal. Digestion in the stomach takes place with the help of some secretions. The inner line of the stomach secretes mucus, hydrochloric acid, and digestive juices. Now let us see the function of each of these secretions. Mucus protects the lining of the stomach from the acidic action of hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid kills the bacteria in the food and also makes the medium acidic for the digestive juices to act. Digestive juices help in the breakdown of proteins into simpler substances. Now let us see a video which explains the passage of food through esophagus and stomach. As the food passes, there is a soft palate which prevents the entry of food into our nasal cavity. As the food passes down, there is a flap-like structure called epiglottis, which prevents the food from entering our windpipe, which opens to our lungs. As then the food passes through the esophagus. As we said, the food moves through the food pipe by the action of the muscles of the walls of food pipe. It moves in a wave-like motion known as peristalsis. The food then enters into the stomach. There are some secretions inside the stomach which helps in digestion. There are mainly three secretions. They are mucus, hydrochloric acid, and digestive juices. Now, each of these secretions have a particular function in helping the digestion of food inside the stomach. The mucus protects the inner wall of the stomach. Then, the hydrochloric acid helps to kill the bacteria present in the food. It also helps in creating an acidic medium for the digestive juice to act. The digestive juice helps in breaking down the protein into simple particles. After the action of the stomach, the food passes to the small intestine where rest of the digestion takes place.